started using aPriori really just within the costing department to solve a problem. And through using aPriori, you really did a transformation where you're getting buy-in from a lot of different departments.
Right.
Explain how that happened.
Yeah, I mean, when I first started, it was really just me. I was the costing department. Yeah, and so we've transformed since then. In the past 4 years, we went from just me utilizing aPriori, like you said, just for should cost, to an organization now that we use it for bread and butter, still should cost, but we use it in a much broader way with design engineers actually physically using the tool day in, day on out for the new designs, and us helping service that and through training and mentorship to further going into the new sustainability spaces, which is really what we're focusing in on at this conference, because it is the biggest use case that we think we will have going forward.
Yeah. So tell me what kind of costing results you've seen first, and then we'll talk about sustainability.
Sure. I mean, so in last year alone, we had $21 to $23 million in potential value that is going back to the BUs now for in the terms of projects, design changes, cost avoidance, all rolled up together. That was a huge target, huge lift for our team. This year, we're projecting out at about $30 million, so we are building up on our success. And we're really excited about some of the new technologies that aPriori is coming out with from an AP workspace perspective as well as AP analytics, because we've really expanded for supply chain to now go in and set those targets for us to really know what we need to go on after. And from a greater carrier standpoint, we're supporting organizations that have hundreds of millions of dollars in productivity goals through the use of aPriori.
So you've had some major cost savings.
Yes.